Hello guys, welcome back to AWMFX. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, no matter where you are. Hopefully you guys out there are doing great, earning a lot of money from the market, and of course taking great care of your health. Recently I've been down with COVID. I've been advising a lot of people to take care of their health, and then me myself was down with COVID. So actually this is my fifth day. I still have a little bit of cough, so bear with me with some coughing sound and getting better. So since I'm quarantined in my room, nothing to do, I'm gonna produce a video for you, a very valuable lesson. All right, I'm gonna share two trades that I took last week. All right, probably before I caught the COVID. All right, so first trade was a buy trade. All right, I'm gonna share with you buy trade. All right, let me get this a few things out. So I caught a buy trade right there. All right, I caught a buy trade right there, and I caught a sell trade right there. Okay, I'll let you know why and how I manage my trade. This is a valuable lesson, all right? So first of all, I'm not sure whether you guys are able to see there's a QML. It's a very, very obvious QML there, all right? So let me get a line. It's a QML for a buy, all right? You can see that the price actually broke, all right? Then this is a QML, right? Now, this is a point I have to admit that a lot of traders, or should I say YouTuber, they might be YouTuber, not traders only. They are not really that good, right? Not really good. Most of them, they'll ask you to enter QML. You trade QML, you must enter at the QML level. So what happened? Look at it. You missed the trade. All right, you're definitely gonna miss the trade. Right? QML is just a reversal. It's nothing. All right, I told you. I mean, if you follow me for quite some times, you know, it's nothing to do with the trading. All right, it's just a signal to tell you the pattern is reversing. All right, or maybe continuous in this sense. That's all. Okay. So what you need to do is that you need to enter at a supply or demand zone. And furthermore, what happened here is that you can see actually there is a fake out. All right, there is a fake out. So the only zone, the big zone, yes, the zone is huge. So what? Right? Enter as it is. This is the only point you have. Right? Don't think about sniper entering all those things yet. You guys, most of you guys are not even there yet. Okay? So remember, QML doesn't mean necessarily the price has to reach QML. Right? So fake out and the price came touched into the zone, just into the zone. Right? My demand zone, and then went off. All right. So this is the first valuable lesson. All right. The second valuable lesson. So prior before I took this trade, what is the trend? This part, right? So some of you, those who are using indicators through their life, trading life, I'm sad. I'm sorry to say you don't even know what is a trend. All right. How to look at the trend. Okay. For us, we are naked chart traders. All right. We don't use any indicators. You can see that my only indicators is this. All right. The title. You look at it, the trend is all uptrend. All right, you can see that it breaks structure. All right, break structure again and again. It's an uptrend. Okay, at this point, I don't look too high first. At this point, we look at this moment. So if I took a buy trade on an uptrend, am I at the correct side of the trade? Sorry, at the correct side of the trend, right? You ask. I mean, you answer yourself. Am I at the correct side? I'm doing a buy, all right, at an uptrend. Right? Am I at the correct side of the trend? Right? So if you think, I mean, if your answer is yes, so I usually will place my take profit higher. All right, I will take my take profit higher. I won't take by percentage of those things. I will take it higher. So coincidentally, of course, I also look out for other possibility trade such like here, which I'm gonna explain. So once I took my profit at the yellow zone, I re-entry at the green zone for a sell. Okay, so I took my profit. I have some good profit. Okay, now the challenge here is most of you guys do not know, unable to see. Maybe I make it 4 hours first. Slowly, right? Where is that trade? Okay, 4 hours. So 4 hours, a lot of people cannot see what is the problem. Okay? Maybe 30 minutes. Yeah. So I have to go back to 30 minutes. Okay. That is one setup right here. Okay. So I have nothing to hide. Okay. The setup is called blind spots. I'm not going to explain much. Right. So for those who are interested to sign up for my mentorship, you're gonna get a full how should I say review on this kind of setup. Right. So that is a blind spots. And by the way, the blind spots was taught by me by Baisra, Cikgu Nora. So I adapted from her. Okay. So I enter right there, the green zone. Right, the green zone. So once I enter the trade, okay, where did I took my profit? Where did I took my profit? I took my profit right here. Right here. Right. I took my profit right here. Okay, the price came down, hop, hit my profit. So risk reward ratio wise, I think still okay. Okay, I'm still happy with it. Nothing to shout out about. Okay, I think I'm still okay with it. 1 to 4. The other one is supposed to be around 1 to 4, 1 to 5. I think 1 to 5, around 1 to 5. I'm happy with all my trades. Okay, 1 to 3. All right. Nevertheless, it's okay. Okay. Now, this is the third valuable lesson. Just now, I was talking about this trade, the trend. All right. Now, when I took the sell trade, okay, a lot of the traders out there, should I say you, all right, you're the one watching. Remember this, you are trading against the trend. The overall trend until this point is still an uptrend. Okay. And I'm doing a sell. I'm doing a sell. Don't ever dream. All right. I don't know where you get the concept from. This is what I always trade. All right. Don't always dream that this is the tip of a turning point. The tip of the turning point. Don't do that. All right. Because you're taking a biggest risk. Right. Just assume that this might be a pullback. All right. Just take it as a pullback for the price to go higher. Trade as it is. If the price intended to break previous structure, all right, then wait for it to pull back and then make the sell, a bigger sell. All right, don't place your risk all at this point. All right, so I took my profit. I'm okay. It drops double the size. I'm still okay with it. I'm happy because I took two good trades, and eventually the price did really rally, right? Rally to the top. So what? It's not my problem anymore. All right, I gonna do what? Re-enter again and again and again and again. Such like here, there's another QML. Okay, and re-enter, just re-enter, re-enter, just re-enter. Whenever I do a buy, I just buy all the way up. All right, and when I sell, right, I have to be careful. All right, such like here, took us. I missed the sell because I had a one-on-one session with a student, but I won't go far if I ever manage to get a sell. All right, so you get the point. All right, hopefully you guys learn a few tricks, tips about trading QML, supply and demand, and of course, important is to know the trend. Right, it's not to know, not only setup. You must know what is the trend, what time frame you are in, what position you are in. Okay, so that's all for now. So if you guys like the video that I did for you, please do give me a thumbs up, and if possible, some subscribe. All right, some of you might subscribe. Uh, you might get the notification whenever I post a new videos. All right, so that's all for now, and take care. Before that, just last one. No matter what terms or what names that I use in my trading is not important. All right, names is just names. There's actually no encyclopedia or dictionary saying that this is right, this is wrong. All right, important is the concept. All right, that's all for now. See you guys then. Bye.